Russian Spacewalk 53 will be conducted by Oleg Artemyev, EV1 in the red stripes, and Denis Matveev, EV2 in the blue stripes. To start the spacewalk, crew will egress the Poisk airlock with a crew lock bag and tool carrier. After turning on their cameras and lights, both crew will start translating down the Strela boom from Poisk to the Nauka Module. After translating nadir of the solar rays, EV1 and EV2 will take separate translation paths to the European Robotic Arm, or ERA. EV1 and EV2 will work to remove insulation covers on the ERA end effectors. Afterwards, they'll stow the crew lock bag and tool carrier on handrail 4575. Oleg will gather and jettison the covers in the station aft direction. Once complete with imagery, EV1 releases the launch lock near the end effector joint as EV2 retrieves the tool carrier. Denis will then back off the grapple point from the end effector. EV2 will monitor motion of the end effector joint. Once the end effector has completed its first motion, EV1 will remove a launch lock that will then lead to an additional motion of the end effector. Crew will work together to continue releasing various ERA launch locks, at which point the ERA shoulder limb will be rotated to allow handrails to be installed. As crew verifies safe motion, ERA will be maneuvered to grapple onto Nauka base point 1. Crew translates to the remaining end effector to repeat the process of releasing launch locks. The end effector is moved away from structure slightly to allow access to additional launch locks. Oleg and Denis will translate to provide safe motion calls for the next ERA maneuvers. ERA will grapple its second end effector onto base point 2. The team will then ungrapple from base point 1 and maneuver over to base point 3. Crew will gather their tools and translate Zenith up the Nauka Module and Strela boom to the Poisk airlock. There, crew will stow their bags and ingress, ending Russian Spacewalk 53.
Subscribe for more space.